Hey guys, welcome back to Sweet Mouth Kitchen. If you're a first time viewer, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. And to our returning viewers, we thank you guys so much. We really do appreciate you joining our family. So one of my friends hit me up and he asked, do you think you can do a video using $10 to cook a meal for your family? And we decided to take him up on that challenge. And here we go. We're headed off to the store. I have $10. Count it out for you guys here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're gonna head to the store using this $10 to see what we can find. Let's go! All right guys, so we just pulled up to the store and we're gonna see what we can get for our $10 right now. Let's go. Wonder if we can cook some cabbage. Rice is 65 cents per pound. And we're gonna go with one of these. Or string wheat rice. Remember guys, we're going for $10. Pork. Let's look at the beef side. Let's see what we can find. This is gonna kill our budget, guys. We're gonna have to find something a little less pricey. It's over our budget. Corned beef. We just cooked some corned beef in the can the other day. Chicken, and it's for a whole bag of chicken. Would make sense we cook some chicken, right? Alright, our budget is $10 today. This meal has to share for 4 people. Alright, so here's our stuff. We're gonna go cash them right now. Hey guys, welcome back. We are back from the supermarket. This is what we got. Let me get the camera so you can see better. We got some rice, we got a piece of steak, cabbage, and some string beans. So watch the video till the end to find out how much we spent for this meal here, guys. See if we busted our budget of $10 or if we stayed underneath. Let's get right into the video. First, we're gonna start by cleaning up our cabbage. A bit taking off all these leaves here. You know, kind of clean it up. We're gonna cut it in 2. And I might be using only this piece, so I'll put it in here for now. And I'm gonna put some salt on there. I'm gonna just let it sit in this salt water until I'm ready to cut it up, guys. I'm gonna start cutting up my sweet peppers. I brought some water here today, guys, so I can wash this stuff a little bit quicker. Just start cutting our sweet peppers in nice thin slices. Not too thin, but still not too thick. I'm gonna do them this size, guys. Alright guys, so this carrot was washed and I'm gonna just cut it like this today. Show you one more. Alright guys, so this is the size that I'm cutting the carrots. now we're ready to cut our cabbage. We're gonna take it out the water and try to flash off all this excess. Thin slices, not too thin, but not too thick. Alright, we're down to this hard part. We're not gonna be cutting this. Throw it away. Okay, our cabbage is done, so let's clear the board. Now it's time to light our fire. I don't have much wood in here today because it's cabbage. Look at this, guys. What she thinks she's gonna do. They are way up there. He's not for steak. Alright, I'm gonna do something different today. I've never done this before. I'm gonna put the steak in coconut oil. Some all-purpose to this. Not too much because we're still going to put some on our cabbage. All right. Looks like it's a lot, but it's not. This is actually going to shrink, guys. Real seasoning. A little bit of all-purpose on this cabbage. Alright, we'll cover this pot and let our cabbage steam, guys. Alright, let's see what our cabbage is doing. Ooh, that is looking lovely, guys. It's smelling good. It is smelling so good right now, guys. That coconut oil that's in there is just giving it a lovely flavor. I'm gonna take this off soon because I don't like my cabbage too soft. I like it with a little bit of crunch in there. Alright, this is looking lovely. I'm gonna cover it one more time and let it go, guys. Let's check our cabbage, guys. All right, there it is. Our cabbage is done. We'll just take it off the fire and set it aside. This is 3 pounds of rice. I'm not going to be cooking all of this. This looks like it's enough rice. I'm gonna wash this rice about 3 times, guys. Get off this excess starch, I guess. This is the 3rd wash, guys, and look at that. Okay, guys, so here it is. I washed it a couple times, well, a few times, until the water is this clear. I'll give it one more and that's it. Rice is ready and I do the 1 finger joint trick there. And that works. I'm gonna add some salt, a tad bit of butter. Let's check in on our rice, guys. All right, and there it is. Our rice is done. We'll take it off the fire and it's time to eat. Okay, guys, you've reached this far in the video. I have the receipt in hand and we'll reveal how much we spent on this. For the moment of truth, guys, you can see here, guys, we spent $8.25 for the rice. It was $1.69. The cabbage was $1.19. Fresh green beans $1.69, and for our steak it was $3.69. I gave the cashier $9 and I got 75 cents back, so I ended up with $1.75. Yes, guys, so that's what we spent on this meal. Alright, guys, well, here you have it. This is a meal for a family of 4. We spent under $10 on this meal right here, guys. It is looking lovely. It's tasting delicious. Okay, guys, so you've made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you're a first-time viewer, please hit that subscribe, and to our returning viewers, thank you. So our meal here is done, under $10, and we made this delicious meal for a family of 4, and I am about to dive in.